everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through or guide you through how to create QR code for your website using Canva. That's right, you can use Canva as a QR code generator, and let's find out how we can do this. First of all, open up your Canva, which is what I've done, and the next thing you do is sign in. Once you're in, then from here at the left side here we see some options. You can see apps here. Click on apps, and then you check for QR code. It is not part of the options here. Just simply go to the search bar and type QR code. You can see QR code, click on it, and then the first option you have here, topmost option, should have the best. So you should decide to use this because we want to print it and share it. So it is generate custom QR code for printing and sharing. So it depends on what you want to use it for. So if you want a lightweight and inside QR code generator, use this one. If you want to add ME QR codes right into your design, use this one. If you want to import your dynamic QR code straight to Canva, use this one. If you want to add customized dynamic QR codes to your designs, you use this one. So check it. There's so many of them and they have what they're used for specifically. So I just want to generate custom QR code for printing and sharing. So click on it, and the next thing, do you want to use an existing design or you want to use a new design? So I want to use a new design, so you click on use a new design, and next thing you can decide to use their own suggested one. But since on this very website, I prefer to use mine. So choose custom size, and then put in the width. So I'm using 500 by 500. You can decide to use the way you want, but 500 by 500 what I'm using, PX. Then click on create new design. The next thing you're going to do here is over here you have to add the URL and give the QR code a chance to create QR code for you to add to your design, so that people can scan the QR code to reach your website. So you put in the QR code you want to use. So let's say I want to use it for a YouTube channel, for example. Let's say I want to use it for a YouTube channel. Let's say when you put in the URL of your website, you can simply just copy it instead of putting it where I am. Just like the input stuff. So once you're done with that, you click on generate code, and that's it. It has generated the code for you. As you can see, the code has been generated. Now the next thing you're gonna do is you can resize it, adjust the size and position if you want. So you can get the size, the position, where you want it to be, all that kind of stuff. And so once your content is set up, simply click on the share over here to download it. Click on this, click on download, and then choose the one you want. This is PNG. You can use PNG if you want, or you can decide to download it in JPEG. It depends on you, but I prefer PNG, this one. But if you want, you can do this also. So next, click on download, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So now that you've done it, you can use it for your website or for any other project, and that's all it takes. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which you put up every day. Thanks so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.